Hey guys, it's Ella, and today I'm going to be making fluffy slime blindfolded. So I have this headband here, it's going to cover my eyes, and so if you hear any noise, it's probably from the TV over here. So just ignore it if you hear, it's probably that. Okay, so I'm in my basement, and this is where I'm going to film from now on, because I have this table right here, so yeah, let's get right on to it. So I already made the borax solution, so we can just do it. First I'm going to get all my supplies out. Shaving cream, and soap. Oh man, I think I forgot the teaspoons upstairs. I'll be right back. Listen to the TV if you can. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay, I'm back. So you guys could have just like fast forward that part. Okay. So got my cornstarch, my food coloring. So my food coloring out too. Got a bunch of it. Okay, so I'll just pick a random thing. Okay, so I'm gonna put my blindfold on. And, okay. Okay, so where's my glue? Okay, got my glue. I got my glue. I'm going to put in the bowl. Is that enough? Yeah, that's probably enough. Cap. Where is it? Okay. Shaving cream. Okay, I'm pouring the shaving cream in, right? Oh, I am. Where's my spoon? Okay. Mixing. Hold on, I need to see over here because my eyes are getting really tired. Okay, I didn't look though. Okay guys, so it just looks white and I'm gonna pick one random food coloring. Okay, so it's this one guys. I don't know what color it is, but I'm just gonna put a couple drops in it. I hope it's a good color. I don't know how many drops that was, but I so hope it's a good color. Okay, I'm gonna just show you. I don't know, where's the camera? Where's the camera? Okay. So, here it is, if you could even see it. I don't know what I'm doing either. So, okay, so this is very hard. Just gonna keep mixing here. Okay, I hope it's a good color. Comment, like, and subscribe, guys. And comment down below if you think this is boring, because I think it's really boring. Okay, now, gonna add the foam. Yeah, this is the foam soap. 4 squirts. Gonna add a couple squirts of that. And mix it. No idea what color. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Which one's a teaspoon? This one's I think this is a cheese. Sorry, just need to look over there because my eyes are getting really tired. Yeah, I hope this is level. Wait, I poured it. Oh, I don't know if I poured it in the bowl or not. Comment down below if I put the cornstarch in the bowl. I don't know if I did. Okay, now I'm going to add the activator. Where is the activator? Oh, here it is. Found it. Okay, okay guys, I think I'm gonna take my blindfold off and just put the activator in. So 3, 2, 1. Oh, yay! It's blue! I love when it's blue. Yes, I'm so lucky. It's blue! Yes! Oh, this feels so much better. My eyes are dying in there. I'm so sorry, guys. But it's not a good day for them today. Not a good day for my pair of eyes. I'm watching Stuck in the Middle right now, and it's just so weird. Maybe a little bit more shaving cream. Okay. That got on my just painted nails. Well, not just like a couple of days ago. Okay. Mixing. Okay, guys, so it's just pretty like normal slime right now, but I still need more activator, so add more activator. That's obvious because I need more activator, so add more activator. Looking good at me. Okay, yeah, more activator still. Need more. Okay, guys, I think this is gonna be the end of the video. So if you guys just wanna, oopsie. So if you guys just want to fast forward this part till I stop mixing, you can. But if you just want to watch me doing boredom mixing, you can. Mixing. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video right now. So, bye, guys. It's blue slime. Remember that. Okay, bye. Come on, end the video.